I'm very sure it's not the first snow at this season in Canada, and more is coming down. Look, she's very enjoying and watch her movie. Guy here is playing his
What do
computer
you think
game.
you're doing? This guy.
Like basketball game. Yeah. And my little girl, she's at her ballet class. I hope she's enjoying now. The snow is keep falling and half day is gone. Later on, I need to prepare our dinner. Tonight, we're gonna eat lamb chops. What do you want to make now? Another car? Alright, let's see what you make later.
My son is there to helping my car to clean up the snow. And my daughter is like, she keeps saying, oh, it's snowing, I want to go outside. But it's so cold. Do you like snow, Chloe? Yeah?
Can I use this?
Why?
This.
Yeah, you can use it.
Hey!
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna use this side then.
Okay. But you're gonna need to be careful, okay? Because otherwise it's gonna scratch the glass. Okay, so my son is helping cleaning up the snow. He's doing good. He's so tall now. Almost get to me. Bye bye. See you. So last night, we changed the sofa to this direction over the window, and then this is called what? Bench. And then my kids' playground over there, so they can play over there. And then, you know what? Sitting over the window is really comfy, and then you can see outside. It's like keep snowing today.
1 hour later.
Now we come here to get our little girl. She almost finished the class.
对呀，都来了。为什么呀？小可爱来接你呀，笑得开心吗？开心啊！冷不冷？来，我帮你拿着，上车了，我的手。小可爱。Hi, baby. Do you like your ballet class? Is it good today? What did you learn? 今天学了什么 ？Tongue do's 是吧？
还有 jumping jacks.
Jumping jacks. Anything else?
Bridges.
Bridges. Okay.
And laundries.
Okay.
That's it.
That's it.
We continue.
This is from my grandpa. She bought it in China. And my mom took it here for me. So I just hang on my car as like a protection.
Now we already home. They are playing Lego. know this guy here, he brings so many memory to me. And when I was kid in China, usually we have this big package at New Year. Now we have 2 trials in Canada. We want to bring some memory and story to share with them. That's why we bought this.
Are you happy? Yep. Do you want to taste it? See what's inside. See what's inside.
Oh my gosh, so much.
So much. Let me.
What is all this?
Ooh.
Biscuits.
Take it out. Take it out.
Oh,
Wow.
I like this.
So much. I used to like this one. This one is really good. Oh my god, I like this one.
you don't get one.
Yeah, and this too. Oh
Wow,
my
Michelle.
god. All of my
Let me
memories.
see. I want this one.
My dad used to buy me this. Okay, take one and let me know if you guys like it.
We eat it?
Yeah, just eat it.
So many flavors.
Oh, looks really good.
This is甜.
Good?
Sweet.
No, 不是甜的。
This one is sweet.
Do you like it?
It's like popcorn.
Popcorn. Kibo, do you like it?
Yeah, it tastes like popcorn actually.
Crispy.
Okay, give me one. Give me one. Who gave me one? Okay, Kibo give me one. Okay.
That's why only one package here, because so tasty.
Oh. Wow, so sweet. So happy. Good.
Wow.
Hi.
This is our Chen Chinese Canadian family. My name is Kilo.
And my name is Chloe.
My name's Amanda.
And minus Z.
So, my dad's already set up dinner, so we're gonna start eating. If you like our video, please subscribe and leave a like.
Bye.